welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime with contact lens solution. Let's get on with the vid. I'm using color changing glue from Elmer's, but you can use whatever you want. You can use white glue, clear glue, sparkly glue, and also I am using contact lens solution, and the contact lens solution I am using is BioTrill. And I am also using some baking soda. Regular baking soda will do fine. Okay. So first I'm gonna add some Elmer's glue color changing. Okay, so pretty. Okay, I just added the really pretty Elmer's glue color changing, and actually color changes to purple. So now I'm gonna add some baking soda. So if you're making a little slime like me, I just put like this much glue in, do a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And if you're doing a big slime, just add 1 teaspoon. Okay, so I just added some baking soda into that really pretty color changing glue. So now I'm gonna actually mix it, or else it'll activate faster. So mix that. Okay, so just mixed in the baking soda. Make sure there's no lumps. Okay, now I'm gonna add some contact lens solution. Same amount, half a teaspoon. Okay, so now let's mix it. Getting that different kind of consistency. And if it seems like you add too much of it, okay, so you're gonna mix well. And I added a bit more baking soda in mine because it was a bit like wet and contact lens solution. And it's actually like a floating iceberg. Okay. Look, guys! Actually, this is ready! Okay, so now we're gonna have to go in with our hands. I love going in with my hands. Let's do it. Yay! Okay. So mix with our hands now. Okay, so I'm mixing with my hands, and it feels like too sticky, so you can do this. So, I'm just gonna take some baking soda. And there's your contact lens solution slime. It's so much fun and so stretchy. Okay, so let's put that slime down. And also you can make this slime with white glue, this really cool glittery slime with glitter glue, and I just made this color changing slime. It's really fun, and then you can also do this. It's my favorite thing to do with slime. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna test it for color changes or not. So I'm just gonna use some ice. So it's cold. See when. It's turning purple! Whoa. Bye guys! And hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that ring-a-ding-ding-ding bell. And again,